Hello, welcome to this month's unboxing of Smile, Create, Repeat, June 2019 surprise. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We have the creative card talking about the supplies. Oh, and there's a call for art. If you submit your art and it gets chosen, it'll be on a postcard. We also have our summer sketchbox gift pack available. $65 normally. It's only $50 for the first 15 people who buy it. Then on the back, we have the step-by-step demonstration tutorial with the tools in the box, showing you different ways to use them and different techniques to use. Oh, this is nice. The Aquaflow 3-pack brush pack. They're water brushes. You fill them with water, and there's a small, a medium, and a large tip. Those are great for travel and just for, well, just watercolor in general. We have the watercolor artist trading cards. That's cold pressed paper, so that's smooth. You'll like that because you don't have all the texture getting in the way of a nice smooth wash. We have our Smile, Create, Repeat postcards with some art using watercolor. Smile, Create, Repeat sticker. Oh, the possibilities. Smile, Create, Repeat pencil, so you know where you got your great supplies. And then our wrap includes, let's see what we got here. We have our Kimberly pencil. It's a 5B, so this will be a softer lead to make darker marks, and we use this in the illustration to add a darker color to the turtle drawing we're doing. We have a Derwent watercolor color pencil. That's nice because you can color with it and then add water to it, and it'll create a wash, but then you can also, once dried, you can go back in and use it again to either make the color more intense or to add texture from the colored pencil, which is nice. And then we have this Tombow dual tip brush pen. There we are. And you have a bullet tip. And we use this to draw with, but also we show you a trick on the video, which you'll have to watch, how to use this as watercolor paint. The demo video link is in the description below. So there you go. That's a great box right there. A lot of stuff and a lot of information and tips. So we hope you like it. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them below or email us on our website, smilecreaterepeat.com. And remember to smile, create, repeat.